So you'll probably be not even on the thing right now. No! What am I doing? Oh, you're not on the thing. Yeah, now you're talking. Now you're on there.
Damn.
What is this? This guy's a 1. Get to leave him out there. How mean this guy is?
I just farted.
Are you the red guy? Be the pink one, because that's when we are like on the same level.
Yeah,
see, you're
on the same level.
Oh, look at this, legit. Look how legit this is.
Kick that guy. I want to be red.
Nope.
Nah, I want to be
This is
skulls. I
legit.
want to be skulls and bones. I like the guy. I'm
Guys
actually
are jelly.
getting
Look how legit.
Huh? I don't know. Shut. No one cares about your fucking level 99.
That wasn't a glitch or anything that they patched, but it still didn't fix it. Are we gonna start from the beginning? Yeah, we're starting from the beginning.
Yeah, that after probably gonna move it. Yeah, I wanted to see the little opening to the thing like that.
No, I wanted to see it too. And he fights me. What? Okay.
Look at that guy, he's so cool with that sword.
Ooh.
Look, he's lagging! Oh, never mind.
Whoop!
You're lagging.
No, I'm not lagging, I was pretending to. He died?
I remember how to what's it called in this game. You had to do that.
Ooh! I got the elephant right, he does damage. Yeah, I remember that. Oh my god, if he doesn't play, we're not gonna be able to move on.
Kick him.
No, I don't know how to do this.
I say kick him.
Hook combos! Oh, I'm too slow right now.
Hey, I'm low one, so.
I forgot how to do the things. There you go.
Yeah.
I'm just mashing Y and X.
Yeah, it's easy. Are you serious?
I'll give him 5 seconds if he doesn't start. 1,
Kick him, kick it, kick him.
2. Why I go to the leaderboards? How do you kick him? Oh, there you go. 1, 5.
Massive charge, fuck.
Oh, God, I like dragging that chick. That's. Oh, no spoilers. Can't say that, even though this game's out
Yeah,
there for like 4 years.
Yeah, I know. Still, for anyone who's watching.
Ow. Oh, those combos. Boost.
I'm trying to figure out how to. You just do like a XX. I don't have that attack yet, so.
I don't know. I just do the one where it hits them down and then they bounce back up. I go like that. Like, dude, you go on the jump. You jump and go. Oh wait, no. You go like. Oh wait. Oh. You go like this. Oh, I'm missing. Yeah, like that, something like that. Well, you gotta actually land it.
I know that, but you gotta get him on the wall in order to like.
Look at that guy clutching down there.
Me?
No, that guy, like the regular guy. Oh, my frog! Oh yeah, I throw flaming hammers. I'm Thor!
Oh.
My guy's Thor, right? Yeah, he's
Okay,
Thor.
I can't buy it.
I want this! Why can't I buy that? I'm a 99. Lag!
No, we already have the weapon. You're not a 99, you're level 24, idiot.
Yeah, but I'm still, I mean, yeah, but I'm still higher than 1!
I wanna go change weapons.
I was buying that. Those potions.
You're totally buying. No, wait, go left. I want to use the weapons.
Oh, pick it up. Oh, look, that's me! Oh, yeah. Did I have it? Let's see. I think I did have it.
I have like nothing.
Watch my diamond sword. Oh, the gold sword is the worst one.
I don't get it.
We're talking about Minecraft here. Can you hurry up? Because I need
any weapon.
Oh, look at this!
I'm trying to get a good weapon. Okay.
Whoa, like.
You know, if I had my
like a
pink
lollipop.
Chick,
You'd have the
that would
lollipop.
have been it.
Candies.
Yeah, lollipop!
Hurry up.
Do I not have the last sword? No, I don't. I guess not. Broccoli! Yeah, broccoli!
Can you do not have this one?
I I thought I did. I guess not.
You get that by beating the game.
Are these new?
Those are for DLC. Those aren't really new. Like I can get that one. That's for my guy. But it sucks though. So I'm not gonna use it. I want the ice sword. No, and I can't. There you go.
The broccoli. I don't even do anything. Look.
Yeah.
Unfortunately.
He went faster than me though. The guy is over top.
Look.
That's me.
I know, that's you. Oh shit.
I wish that. Oh yeah.
You just had a cooler helmet.
Yeah, I know the antlers on it.
Wait, where's the chicken? I want the chicken.
Oh, yeah, I can get that guy. Not that I got this from a glitch, because I found these all legit.
I think I can get this guy. Yeah, I can. My magic is better. That guy just bounces.
I'm thinking here.
What does this ice guy do?
You won't be able to get frozen.
I gotta go check him.
You won't be frozen. I'm just trying to bet.
That.
It's where you won't be frozen.
What does this guy do?
Where's the chicken at?
I want to get the little black one. I want to get the little black
one. Oh, that one gives your health back up. I'm trying to get him. Get out of there!
It looks funny.
My health. That one gives you damage. Like, oh, what did? Oh, see, I knew those. I'm MLG at this game.
Sneak increases your strength. Okay.
Oh yeah, you know what the chicken does? Look at this.
Man, it increases everything.
I know. Never mind. I'm gonna go.
I guess.
Wait, that's the frog from the. Yeah, this is why I have the frog, right? It's this thing right here.
Yeah.
Why is it small though?
That's right. I don't fucking know.
That's dumb. Oh, no.
And then you've got your little Thor hammers.
Alright, Thor hammers. Where are we over here, right? No, we went right there.
Yeah,
oh yeah, we were. Okay, I got confused because it's like in land and stuff. Oh, you freeze people. Yeah, let's get that because you won.
Yeah, I kind of need the XP.
This guy punching him. Wham! Yeah, broccoli. Thor hammers. These are cooler though because they're on fire. Thor's got nothing on that. Oh, assist. I got that too. Oh, I got an axe. I can't use it though. Look at these guys. They're eating his body. Give me some of that. I'm getting on that. Yeah. Oh, are you dying?
Jesus Christ. Nothing. No, this is some.
Unprofessional.
Shut up. You want to hear like a little kid in the party, don't you? I mean, in the little recording, don't you?
Yeah. Sounds pretty cool. I didn't even hear it, so that's so that didn't matter.
Yeah, no, that's the point.
You just chunked that guy. Look at this 1v1 right here.
What you did?
Ooh, I just noticed that battle in the back there.
Everybody's alive, dude!
Oh, the flag!
He's dead! I think he goes rage mode and helps us, right? I think so.
Nope, he just sits there and does that and never stops. True friend right there. What is that?
Stops. Yeah, he's a true friend of the war. Stop! He lost a buddy today.
You know,
that's
where we beat this many. Yeah, there you go. Ow! And up.
Well, you have like the overpoweredness, so you might as well kill him now.
Nope. You need the XP. I'll just sit in the corner.
Are you serious?
You want the XP, right? Look at that! What? I guess you don't. I'll just distract the cannons. Is it like going towards me?
Yeah.
Oh!
No,
I'll kill this guy.
Charge me. Ow, fuck.
Hurry up. Oh my god, just.
God, you killed me one hit, right?
I just noticed you never go to like the left. You always go to the right.
I don't know. I would love this music.
Alright. Oh yeah. Take that apple. You don't need it.
Oh.
Oh, look, I barreled it. Where did the guys come from? We just came from there.
Oh. Came behind us.
Oh yeah, I missed it. We'll go sneaky in here. Don't wake him up. Yeah, they don't wake up. They don't feel that. Okay, later. Ugh, he's all bony.
Dick. I guess I gotta kill him.
No, no. Oh.
I choked him.
Is this one to kill? Nope. Now you're dead. No. Are we playing on insane? What are we playing on?
You say insane? This ain't Gears of War.
No, but I know there's difficulty like after this, and it's like they have like 1,000 health.
But that's a bitch.
Watch this! No! Now what?
Yeah, no, the boomerang, I know. Okay.
I mean, I had it. Whoa, what is it?
It's your bow.
That bow looks all
Mine
dumb.
has a, what's it called? Mine has a bow there, a bone.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, missing them up. Oh, get that.
No!
How much money I have?
Too much.
Not enough.
Oh, look at that princess.
Alright.
Look at that princess.
I thought that was the first boss, and then this guy comes out.
Princess.
Poop my pants. Now let's kill that guy too.
Now.
It's teamwork right here. Now I'll stay in here, and you kill that guy.
It's gonna take like 20 years.
He hit me, and I was underground. He hit his own guy. Friendly fire's on. Yeah, I'll stay under here. Why can't I leave the red one? Ginger powder.
Oh yeah, everyone's mad.
A Drake smashed the carpet. Look at that, see? I'll stay under here though. You can take that. I'm feeling generous today. Look at those guys just standing there and not doing anything.
Yeah! Look at all this gold! Oh, no, I forgot about this. No!
Oh, you like the hammers?
I'm on the business! Ah, you dick!
Oh, couple times!
That's not cool. That's not cool. That's not cool.
Hey.
Oh, yeah, you're cool. You're on level 2 like that.
Oh, my controller died. No!